Father's Day is coming up, so let's DIY a Father's Day card. Get some painter's tape, cardstock, and scissors. Make your painter's tape less sticky by putting it on your arm first. Cut your painter's tape in a wave shape. Make sure the ends are very straight. Choose some paint for your background. I'm using watercolor. Use 3 to 5 colors if you want a textured background. Make sure to leave some white spaces so you can have some highlighted colors. After your paint is dry, peel the tape off. Now here's what happens if you don't press your tape down. The paint seeps under the edges. Next, paint your ribbon banner with a lighter color, preferably the highlight color. Make sure to keep your water clean so it doesn't get muddy. After the paint's dry, it's time to write on your banner. First, outline the banner. I like to start my marker on a corner so you don't see it starting or ending. Decide where the banner will be flowing behind and draw those lines. Now here, I think it would have been really creative to take the tape off and let the banner stick out of the edges. Try to make the banner that's drawn behind it be the same width as the banner in front. Of course, they're the same banner, so they need to be the same width all the way around. Then take the tape off and write your Happy Father's Day message. You can pencil in your blocking of where the letters go to make sure it's nice and balanced. You can always erase the pencil afterwards if the marker doesn't cover it. Voila, you're done. Happy Father's Day card ready to go. I hope you've had fun making our DIY Father's Day card. Do me a favor and like and subscribe.